Integration in logical learning.
Change of Voice Part 2 by Sukanya Chaudhary. Now there is a formula based discussion and a chart given here. Please follow this to understand the chapter in a far detailed way. For the simple present in active voice we write, he writes a letter, but when it comes to passive voice we write the same sentence as a letter is written by him. For the present continuous in the active voice we write, the masons are building the house, but for the passive voice we will write, the house is being built by the masons. Another example is given here. For the active voice we can also write, Rahim is eating rice, but for the passive voice the same sentence will be converted into, rice is being eaten by Rahim. When it comes to present perfect in the active voice, we can write, she has done her work, but for the passive voice we will write the same sentence as, her work has been done by her. In the active voice, you have not broken my pen, but for the passive voice it will be written as, my pen has not been broken by you. For the present continuous in the active voice you can write, he has been writing a letter, but for the passive voice no such formula exists. For the simple past in active voice, he wrote a letter, but for the passive voice it will be written as, a letter was written by him. Another example is given here. In active voice we can write, they knew it, but when it becomes passive voice we need to write, it was known to them. For the past continuous tense in the active voice we can write, she was reading a book, but for the passive voice it will be converted into, a book was being read by her. Another example is given, she was not laughing at him. This is in the active voice, and he was not being laughed at by her. This is in passive voice. For the past perfect we can write in the active voice, he had written a letter, but for the passive it will become, a letter had been written by him. Ram had passed the exam. It is in active voice. The exam had been passed by Ram. For the perfect continuous in the active voice we can write, he had been writing a letter, but for the passive voice no such formula exists. For the simple future in the active voice you can write, he will write a letter, but when it comes to passive voice we need to write, a letter will be written by him. Another example is given here, she will read the book. It is in active voice. The book will be read by her. This is in passive voice. When it comes to future continuous, he will be writing a letter. This is in active voice, but for the passive voice no such formula exists. For the future perfect in the active voice we can write, he will have written a letter, but when it comes to passive voice we need to write, a letter will have been written by him. Another example is given here, Rohit will have read a book, but when it comes to passive voice it can be written as, a book will have been read by Rohit. When it comes to perfect continuous, which means future perfect continuous, the example which is given here, he will have been writing a letter. This is for the active voice, and for the passive voice no such formula exists. Voice change or imperative sentences. Formula for the active voice will be, carry it home, but when it comes to passive voice we can write, let it be carried home. Do it at once is for the active voice. Let it be done at once is for the passive voice. When the active voice is in negative, beginning with the words do not, the passive voice takes this form. Let not plus the object plus the be verb plus past participle. Do is not used. Not can be placed after the object or after the be verb depending on the sentence. When we want to begin the sentence with you, in order to put emphasis on the person addressed to, The passive voice can also have an alternative form. Help me can be written as let me be helped or you are requested to help me. Don't touch it can be written as let it not be touched or you are warned not to touch it. The passive form has to begin with you when the object of the verb in active voice is not given. Work hard. There is no object given here, but it can also be written as you are advised to work hard. Get out. Here also no object is written, but you can also rewrite it as you are ordered to get out. For the interrogative sentences, it may be noted that do, does, or did does not appear in the passive form. However, has, have, had, according to the subject or any of the modal auxiliaries like can, may, will, shall, or when, where, why, how, or what does not change its beginning position when our active voice is changed into the passive voice. But who is changed into by whom and whom into who? Let's have a short look at these examples given here. For the active voice, do the children play football? It can be written as is football played by the children for the passive voice. Have you finished the work in active voice can be written as has the work been finished by you? This comes under passive voice. Can anybody cure it? Comes under active voice. Can it be cured? Comes under passive voice. Who killed the snake? Comes under active voice. By whom was the snake killed? Comes under passive voice. Whom did you laugh at? Falls under active voice, and it can also be written as who was laughed at by you under passive voice. Let's take a short look to these examples. I know him. He is known to me. One should help the poor should be helped. May I take your book? May your book be taken by me. What do you want? What is wanted by you? The mill grinds corn. Corn is ground in the mill. He had to pay the fine. The fine had to be paid by him. Please help me. Let me be helped, please. What does this box contain? What is contained in this box? Women like to adore them. Women like to be adored. I expect you to help her. I expect her to be helped by you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries or doubts, you can put them down in the comment box below.